The combined tables feature allows you to append data from two or more tables together and create a sort of grouping that allows you to create very clever pivot tables. Before we use it, let's have a little look and see what it does. First, I'll just create a blank table and just fill it with some empty data. And I'll create a second table here that we're going to merge together. Phone series. We'll merge that down. When I combine these two tables, it'll take this table and pretty much grab the data and pop it under here. But it'll also create another column, and this is the group name column here, so it'll be whatever we type in. And then for each of the tables, it'll append on the group value. So I might have said table 1. We'll just copy the cells. And this one would have been table 2. So let's undo all this, put our data back so that we have two separate tables again, and we'll use the tool to combine the two tables. So the first thing we need to fill in is the group name. That's the extra column I talked about earlier. So here we'll say which table, and click here to select your table. This will open up a range selector. Just click anywhere in the table, press OK, and it'll grab the table name, and it's called table 6 here. So we'll say the group value is table 6, just so it matches. But you can type in anything that you want in there. And then we'll select our second table, and just to be consistent, we'll call it table 7. And we could keep adding tables, but we'll just go ahead and press OK. And it'll create a new sheet called combined, and then whatever the group name is. It'll have merged the two sets of data together and then created an extra column so that we can separate this. And where this becomes very clever is when you use a pivot table. And we'll just do a pivot table on that. Say we wanted these CR3 columns, and then we could categorize that by which table they belong to.